Alright, right now I am on my computer screen and I have just opened up FX Academy where they're explaining a little bit about the candlestick. So we're going to go into this one very quickly. This is a candle, and on the candle anatomy, you do have an upper shadow, as you may see right up here. You may see the high, close, real body, open, low, and the lower shadow. So basically, let's do this one on auto draw, and let me show you. Let me just draw this a little bit with you. And before that, you guys understand that humans have a head and we have our legs, our foot. Animals have a head or a tail and then the body. So basically the candles are made up of like this way. You do have the head, you do have the tail or the legs, and then you have the body itself. So if you look at giraffe, for example, they have very long necks. And I don't know what has a very long leg. You guys can try to think about it. Maybe a kangaroo has long legs. Okay, that's a good example. What is a huge body? An elephant, right? So they have different shapes and sizes as well. So candles also have different shape and sizes. So let's draw a very basic candle. Number one is it's going to have a wick, something like that. And then it's going to have a body, something which looks like this. And then it's going to have another wick to the downside. Great, that's it. That's a candle. All right. Candle has so many shapes, right? And a lot of candles here, they can look like this, which is known as a T bar, like the body of this pin bar. Sorry, not T bar, pin bar. It looks very small, but it has a very tiny body in the middle. You could have something that looks like a hammer, which has a little bit of a body like this, but it actually looks like a hammer. Still has the head right here, still has the tail right over there. You can still watch a lot about candles, but we don't really need to get into the details of what candles really are right now, because we don't really need to understand what candles are. But I've gone deep into my premium version of the course. You don't really need that, of course, if you don't want to buy that. But if you want to learn, if you're interested in learning, I've done more like 50, 40, 50, 60 different candlestick readings. And you can always, if you're ready to buy, you can always buy. Let me know. You can hit me up on Discord as well. And of course, this is the course known as the Pirate Trader, Trade the Tides in Crypto. And it's 19 hours long. We started off with case studies. You're going to learn a lot about case study, market psychology, trading the charts, and you can see that this is where we do have like candlestick reading, nearly 62 candlestick reading. I think it's a little bit less than 62 though, but it goes a long way, where you can learn multiple trading styles basically. So I'm just ripping off a part of this course. So imagine the whole course. How is that going to be? Now back into one of this clip right here, we do have one candle that is white and one candle that is actually red. In this regard, the white really means the bullish candle, and in this regard, the red one means the bearish candle. That means whenever the buyers are winning, we get a green candle. Whenever the sellers are losing, then we get the red candle. Now think about this. I don't want candles to be intimidating at all. Think about a dot. One dot, right? You have several different dots. When a painter or an artist is actually painting something on a blank canvas, he's pointing another dot, is putting another dot. So each and every single dot is building up to create something. It is actually building up to create an image of something. So one dot is important, and multiple dots combined with one another, they create a shape. And that's something that is going to come handy down the road. But before that, let's get into what is a time frame, and let's talk about the basic of time.